This is gold. And as I told you before, price just came up to this area. And right now price is playing around that area. I think we are going to retest this area for 224 pips. So today, in my opinion, no trading in gold. It's the best idea because price is going to correct the last momentum. So leave gold today and let's start with AUD/JPY. AUD/JPY. I told you price is going up because of this rejection on the last low area. This was our last low area. Price made a very clear fake breakout on it. And this consolidation, this fake breakout on the last low area. And right now, as you can see, price had a very clear break of this correction line. So in my opinion, we are going to this area right now. So we have this resistance level as our next resistance area. And we had a break of this one. So we are going for that resistance area. This was our main break. And here can be our first target. So we will have 66 pips for first TP and 168 pips for second TP. That's good enough. But we have to wait for a retest on the last broken area. This is our last broken area. Yes, this is our last broken area. Price is going to retest it and goes up. So retest means retouch and reject. We are looking for rejections on this area. This is very clear. In lower time frames is okay. So our first TP will be 66 pips, as I told you before. Our stop loss will be below this support area. 26 pips is good enough. First TP for 74 pips because we came down for retest, and second TP for 180 pips. That is a very good risk reward ratio. So let's see what will happen. GBP USD price looks up right now. Price just rejected the last low area with a very strong rejection here in 4 hours time frame. Before, in maybe 5 hours, 6 hours before. So right now I see price is making a higher low, and price had a very clear reject on the last higher low area this week. So in my opinion, we are going to maybe price broke. Okay, look, this is our last high area and price just retested it, and maybe right now is rejecting it. And this is a very, very important area for us, because if price going to reject that area for a clear reject, I mean, this is not a very clear reject. Look, for example, if candle close below this low, this is our last high low, right? So if price rejected, it will come down to the last low area again. So price is going to make a range. So we will have something like this. And if price break, it will come down. And right now, price, there is a possibility for price to make a higher low here and go for the last high area in higher time frame. So this is our last high area. This is very clear actually. This is the last high area. And this is the very strong next level. Daily time frame looks very clear. Look, price just came down for a corrective movement. So these type of corrective movements are very familiar for us, but this is not in yet. So okay, look, if I'm going to draw a correction line, actually my correction line will be like this. Okay, so till price is below this, price is still correcting. So I can't tell you you can go for this area. Okay, I can't tell you till price is not broke the correction line, but maybe price is going to retest the last high area. Okay, so this is possible. In 1 hour time frame, price looks rejecting. So okay, I'm not very comfortable with selling right now. I'm not very comfortable with buying right now. For GBP USD, in my opinion, we have to wait for a higher low. So if price make a good higher low in this area, we can think about buys. Okay, and if price, actually I'm going to tell you, break this area, this is better in my opinion. This is a better area. If price break this area, it will come down, okay, to the last low area. Because if price break, it means price rejected the last high, and if price rejects the last high, it will come down to the last higher low or last low. Anyway, so it's very logic, but right now, nothing, okay? So look for a higher low in this area, or look for a break on this area, and we will have a buy or a good sell. Okay, AUD/USD, leave it. CADJPY. Okay, CADJPY. It's not on our top yet, so leave it. This is a better. This is a better top of the range. Okay, anyway, so as you can see, price is going up to our top of the range, as I told you, and it's not retested yet, so I'm not very comfortable with selling or buying. The best sell area will be after this break. Anyway, leave it right now. EUR/AUD coming down, as I told you before, but price is moving very fast, and this pair looks not very well right now. Actually, in my opinion, the best position will be after a break of this one. Okay, it will be a buy, not a sell. And here will be our best area for reverse. So let's see what will happen. There is a possibility for price. EUR/GBP looks bullish for me. Look, it's very bullish for me. It's really bullish for me. I don't know. I don't know what can I do right now. Wait a second. Look, this is 4 hours time frame, and price is making higher lows. So price is not above this area yet. This is our last high, last lower high, and this is our correction line. Okay, price just rejected the most important area, and maybe price is going to just make a range between these two lines. Okay, we can't be sure about that right now. Actually, I'm not comfortable with it. This is my favorite today. EUR/JPY price is on a very strong area as the last low, and this last low is a historic low, because if I check daily time frame, I can see price had a low right on there. You see? So in my opinion, price is going to this area right now, because this is a range and price is fast. But we lost, actually you lost the best entry, because this was the best entry after this break. But there's a possibility for price. Oh, very good, Mickey, very good. Actually, I bought as well. I bought right here before. Actually, I bought before break. I bought here because price made a very clear reject on the last low area. you see. Anyway, so you can wait for a very clear rejection here. Okay, if price did not give you that rejection, just leave it. Your first TP will be right here as the last high area, and your second TP will be the next area is right here. Let's see what will happen. Actually, I don't like to buy right now, because if I was trading this, actually I bought right here, so I'm fine. But if you are going to buy, please wait for a higher low here, because it's not very safe to buy right now. EURUSD looks very good. Okay, as I told you yesterday, price just came up to retest the last broken zone. This is our last broken zone, and right now price just broke it and made a double bottom, I'm sorry, and break this one. So in my opinion, price is going up right now. Our first TP will be right here as the last lower high, and our second TP will be the next supply zone. This is the next supply zone. And if you are going to make a swing trade, look, the daily time frame looks very clear. Price just rejected this area. Look, in 4 hours time frame is more clear. Look, this is the top of the double bottom, you see. So this is a very strong area. In daily time frame, I see price made a momentum, and it's going to retest the last high area. So in daily time frame, here is the last high area. If I go in 4 hours time frame and you are going to make a swing trade, you can wait for a reject on this area and go for this one. Okay, this is too much right now. This is too much. So if you are a day trader and you are going to make a day trade, it's better to go with this one. Okay, this is better. 90 pips is much better. Your stop loss will be just 16 pips, and this is a good risk reward ratio. So in EURUSD, the best thing is waiting for a retest on this area again. Okay, so if price retested, you can take a buy. Right now, please don't. Okay, let me check GBP/USD again. GBP/USD looks not very well yet. We have to wait for candle close in 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what will happen. GBP/AUD, not good. GBP/JPY, price right now looks very choppy. Look, I don't like it. It looks bullish because price made a higher low, and I think price is going to break this one and go up to this area, but price is still below the correction line, so leave it. NZD/USD, I don't know if you took it or not. I told you yesterday you had to wait for this one to be broke. So we had an entry right here. Actually, I got it, and right now price is in 59 pips. It's going up to this area. No entries right now. Unfortunately, today I can't find a very good entry for our live trade. USD/CAD, nothing. We got a very bad stop loss, unfortunately, because of these wicks. So yes, we got a good entry. Actually, it was a good entry, so don't think it was a bad entry. We got a very good entry on this break, I think right here. And our stop loss was above the last high area here, but price tested our last high. So this was a bad luck. Actually, it was just bad luck, not anything else. But these things happen. On EJ, okay, look, EURJPY, Mickey. This is our last high area in 15 minutes time frame, and this is a lower time frame corrective movement, you see. So if you got it from this area, you will have a 42 pips for first TP. USD/CHF looks very well as well. Price is going to, okay, price just retested this area, and price just broke this one. So it's coming down to this area right now. You can't take it. Okay, you can't take it. but this pair is a little messy always. So your stop loss will be above the last wick, 20 pips. Your first TP will be 80 pips. You have to just wait for candle close in 1 hour time frame. Here is the best second TP in my opinion. So yes, this is the trade, 143 pips for second TP, and around 90 pips for first TP. 15 minutes time frame is okay, because if candle close like this in 15 minutes time frame, it will close the 1 hour time frame as well. So yes, 15 minutes is good enough. USD/JPY looks bearish as well. Price is just retesting this area as the last broken zone. So in my opinion, this is a good trade as well. Price just broke this one. Look. And it looks bearish for me. So if you are going to take it, it's better to take it to here, but I don't suggest you to take this one, because all of other JPY pairs, XXX pairs, looks very bullish right now. As you can see, CAD/JPY, AUD/JPY, GBP/JPY, and EUR/JPY, all of these pairs are bullish for me right now. So in my opinion, it's better to wait for other pairs, because USD/JPY looks bearish, because USD looks bearish, but all of XXX/JPY pairs just looks bullish. So yeah, it is better to stay out. Yes, this is going to break, and that's my favorite right now. Okay, I'm not going to trade this because I can't trade DXY, but it looks bearish. Okay, and if USD looks bearish, it means GBP USD is bullish. So yes, we are going to buy. Why, Rami? Okay. We had AUD/JPY. Price is not going to retest. EUR/JPY price is not going to retest. And EUR/USD, maybe price is not going to retest. No, this is not good. Okay, if you are going to trade, you can take GBP USD buys. Okay, it is a little risky. But it's not very bad. Your stop loss will be below the last low, 20 pips, and your first TP will be right here for 64 pips, this area. Your second TP will be the last high. Yeah, Rami, all of good entries are lost right now. You see NZD USD looks very good. Oh, now you're here. Okay, brother. USD CAD, unfortunately, we lost our best entry. Actually, our entry was very good. Yes, sir. EUR/JPY, it's going to, actually, I'm going to break even it right now. Look, I'm in 35 pips. It's okay. Wait a second. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, we are waiting for Lau right now. So if you can give us a very good entry for GBP USD. So yeah, let's just wait for it, and then I will end this webinar. Okay, this is Lau's opinion. 30 minutes now. Yeah. So very good. Thank you, Lau. Lau is, I have to go in 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to find Lau's level, okay? Just that. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So your trade will be like this if price is going to retest. 20 pips for stop loss, 61 pips for first TP, and 153 pips for second TP. So this is Lao's idea in lower time frames. So, and 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame looks better for me. So yes, I'm going to take this much in GBP USD. Okay, guys. So if there's any questions, I'm going to answer. If there is no question, I'm going to end this webinar. Thank you for joining. Yes, Rami, wait for rejection on this area. Okay.